Tara. This is Siba reporting from Kia Kids News. To celebrate Conservation Week, Wellington Zoo is teaching tamariki all about the environment. I'm here in the jungle in Wellington Zoo. I'm looking for a zoo ranger.
Hi, I'm Ranger Emily. What's your name?
Siba.
Hi, Siba. Should we go see some animals?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go. So we've got our Kia right through this way. Can you hear her?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, look, we've got one right through here. This is Fern. She's about 10 years old, so she is our youngest Kia.
What is she eating?
So part of their diet is this boiled egg, and the reason why we've put it in that mesh part is just to make it a bit more challenging for them. Murray, your egg is over there. Oh dear. Well, this is actually a father and daughter pair, and they do love each other a lot.
What makes a Kia special and why do we need to help them?
So these guys are the only alpine parrot, which means they love to live up in the mountains. And they're really special because they are an endemic parrot, meaning they are only found in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So it's really important that we do help protect them.
What is Conservation Week?
So Conservation Week falls through the 1st to the 7th of September, and it is a time where all Kiwis can appreciate the amazing wildlife that we've got here in Aotearoa.
How do we celebrate it?
Going for a walk and seeing if you can spot or hear any birds, or maybe if you want to go do a beach cleanup, or if you want to plant some native trees or get involved with a local trapping organisation. So there's so many different things that we can do to help celebrate Conservation Week. So in here, we'll be able to see our tuatara. If we pop right over this way, there she is. We'll stand you up on here. So there's our tuatara.
How old is the tuatara?
So Omaka here is 23 years old.
Is she related to dinosaurs?
Tuatara were around when dinosaurs were on Earth, but they're not actually related to dinosaurs.
What does she eat?
So these guys eat a bunch of insects. They love weta or maybe some earthworms. And I've actually got something here that we're going to give them as well. So we've got some locusts that she will really, really enjoy. We'll see how this goes. So she's clocked it. Go get it. Doesn't stand a chance, it gets Omaka any second now, as soon as it starts moving again. And you got it! Good job, Omaka. Can you hear the crunching? Yeah.
Which native New Zealand animals need our help?
So unfortunately, pretty much all of our native animals that we have here in Aotearoa need our help. So it's really, really important to make sure we're keeping our cats inside, but also a really big one is just to join a trapping organisation so we can help all of our native wildlife.
If we all do our part, our native species can bounce back. What a wonderful day that will be. This has been Siba reporting from Kia Kids News. Thanks to New Zealand On Air.